Hi, I'm Darren, and this is the Dolls Rescue channel. Today, we are participating in the Summer Fun with Your Sasha Boy Dolls collaboration with some wonderful ladies who also have their Sasha Boy dolls out today, enjoying the summer fun. These ladies are Lorraine, Where Dolls Dwell, Penny from Playful Doll Adventure, Dory from Dory's Dollies, and Karen from Starch and Stitches. This outfit here, Marna put together. She made these shorts here just for this boy doll. Took me a little while to get these shorts situated on the swing that I made. And here is Marna's Sasha Boy doll out here enjoying this summer morning before it gets too hot and swinging away out here. I hope you will visit the other ladies, Lorraine, Penny, Dory, and Karen, and see their videos as well today. I'm sure they will have some incredible Sasha Boy dolls doing some wonderful stuff. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. And happy summer.